The distress beacon had been silent for 72 hours. By all calculations, everyone aboard the human colony ship Endeavour should have been dead. Sound of alien ship landing, hostile wind, crackling atmosphere. Dr. Qelthar, Vexalian xenobiologist, four-armed, crystalline voice survey team, atmospheric readings. Tech officer ZX, nitrogen-oxygen mix, but with 23% oxygen content. Gravity 1.4 standard. Temperature fluctuating between -40 and +50 degrees Celsius. Radiation levels. Pause, elevated but survivable with our suits. Qelthar, and the local fauna. ZIX, apex predators detected. Large. Territorial. Chemical analysis shows venom, claws, pack hunting behavior. Captain, this world is classified Lethality Index 8. Nothing should be alive down here. Captain Viroan, then we're here to collect bodies and black boxes. Move out. And keep your shields active. Sound of team moving through hostile terrain. Qelthar, analyzing scanner, wait. I'm detecting biosignatures. Multiple. Humanoid. Viroan, impossible. Qelthar, I don't believe it either, but, sudden rustling sound, defensive positions. A human emerges from the jungle, dirty, makeshift clothing, carrying a spear. Human, Sarah, oh thank God. We saw your ship land. Are you the rescue team? Qelthar, stunned silence, you're alive. Sarah, well, yeah. Mostly. Lost 12 people in the crash, another 3 to the local wildlife before we figured out their hunting patterns. But the rest of us, 87 survivors, we're okay. Hungry, but okay. Viroan, translator struggling with disbelief, 72 hours. On a lethality 8 world. How? Sarah, confused, how? We just survived. Isn't that what you do? Scene 2, the camp, 2 to 5:30. Narrator, what Dr. Qelthar found at the human camp would challenge everything the galaxy knew about biological limitations. Sound of bustling human camp, fire crackling, voices. Qelthar, recording log, personal research log, Dr. Qelthar of Vexal Prime. I am witnessing the impossible. The humans have constructed shelters, established a perimeter, created fire, without technology. They've done in 3 days what any other species would need weeks of equipment to accomplish. Approaches a group of humans. Qelthar, excuse me. I am Dr. Qelthar. I'm a xenobiologist. May I ask you some questions? Human, Marcus, sure, Doc. Name's Marcus. You want to know how we're not dead, right? Qelthar, the directness of your species is refreshing. Yes. Your ship's medical bay was destroyed. Yet I see individuals with broken bones performing physical labor. I see someone with what appears to be a serious laceration from a local predator, stitched closed with plant fibers, and they're joking about it. Marcus laughs, oh, you mean Tommy? Yeah, he wrestled one of those big lizard things yesterday. Got pretty cut up, but Sarah used to be a nurse. Stitched him right up. Qelthar, he wrestled an apex predator. Marcus, in his defense, it was trying to eat him. Self-defense and all that. Qelthar, but the pain. Marcus, hurts like hell, I'm sure. But what's he gonna do, lay down and die? Tommy's got 2 kids back on Earth Station. He's got reasons to keep moving. Qelthar, pause, your species treats catastrophic injury as an inconvenience. Marcus, well, I wouldn't say that. It's just, look, we do what we have to do. That's just being human. Scene 3, the revelation, 5:30 to 9 o'clock. Narrator, over the next few days, Dr. Qelthar collected samples. What the genetic analysis revealed would be classified as a galactic security threat. Sound of medical bay, scanning equipment. Qelthar, excited, frightened, Captain Vrun, you need to see this. Immediately. Vrun, what have you found? Qelthar, a nightmare. Humans possess what I'm calling the persistence gene. It's not one gene, it's thousands, all interconnected. Their DNA literally rewrites itself under stress. Vrun, adaptive evolution is not unknown. Qelthar, not like this. Watch. Typing, this is a human cell under normal conditions. Now I introduce a toxin that would kill a Vexalian cell instantly. Pause, the human cell detects the threat and, see? It's producing countermeasures. Novel proteins. The cellular machinery is improvising. And here's the terrifying part, this adaptation information gets stored. Passed on. They're evolving in real time. Vrun, surely there are limits. Qelthar, their own bodies try to kill them constantly. Look at this, autoimmune responses, cancer, cellular degradation. Their immune systems are so aggressive they attack their own tissue. Their cells divide so rapidly they develop fatal mutations. They have dozens of built-in self-destruct mechanisms. Vrun, then how? Qelthar, because they out-heal it. Out-adapt it. Out-stubborn it. Human cells are simultaneously self-destructive and self-repairing at rates we've never documented. They exist in a constant state of controlled chaos. And that chaos makes them nearly impossible to kill permanently. Pulls up more data. Qelthar, there's more. Their psychological profile. When injured, they don't experience the shutdown response every other species has, the biological imperative to conserve energy and await death. Instead, they experience anger. Determination. What they call spite. Their brains flood with chemicals that override pain, that push them forward despite logic saying they should stop. Vrun, that sounds like a psychosis. Qelthar, to every other species in the galaxy? Yes. To humans? It's called having a bad day. Scene 4, the Predator attack, 9 to 12 o'clock. Narrator, the revelation would be tested sooner than anyone expected. Alarm sounds, roaring in the distance. ZX, Captain. Large Predator pack, approaching the human camp. 12 individuals. Each one massing approximately 400 kilograms. Vrun, activating comms, human camp, this is rescue ship Valiant. We're detecting a large Predator pack approaching your position. Evacuate immediately to our ship. Sarah, over comms, negative, Valiant. We've got children and injured here. We'd never make it. We'll handle this. Vrun, handle, you can't possibly. Sarah, watch us. Sound of humans mobilizing, weapons being readied. Qelthar, watching from ship monitors, this is suicide. They have primitive spears, some firearms with limited ammunition. Against 12 apex predators. Vrun, prepare rescue shuttles. We'll extract survivors after the attack. Sounds of battle beginning, roars, human shouts, fire whooshing. Qelthar, watching in awe, they're not defending. They're hunting. Look, they've split the pack, using fire to channel them. They're using coordinated tactics. That man, he's injured, bleeding, and he just killed a creature twice his size with a sharpened stick and what I can only describe as excessive enthusiasm. ZX, the predators are retreating. Vrun, disbelief, the humans won. Over comms, sounds of humans cheering. Sarah, Valiant, this is Sarah. Perimeter secure. 3 wounded, no fatalities. Also, we're having fresh meat tonight if you want to join us. These things taste like chicken. Qelthar, quietly, they're eating them. They're eating the apex predators. Scene 5, the report, 12 to 1500 hours. Narrator, 3 days later, all humans were evacuated safely. Dr. Qelthar's report would change galactic policy forever. Sound of Galactic Council Chamber, multiple alien voices. Council Member 1, Dr. Qelthar, your report suggests that humans are a potential threat to galactic stability. Qelthar, not a threat, Counselor. An inevitability. Every other species we've encountered has a ceiling, a limit to their survival capability. Humans don't. They just keep going. Council Member 2, but surely their aggression, Qelthar, is vastly overstated. Yes, they're capable of violence. But primarily, they're persistent. They're the species that looks at a lethality 8 death world and says, challenge accepted. They're the species that gets injured, heals, and remembers what injured them so they can avoid or defeat it next time. Council Member 3, your recommendation. Qelthar, Alliance. Immediately. Because in a galaxy full of species that evolved to survive, humans evolved to persist. They will outlast disasters that wipe out civilizations. They will adapt to weapons designed to kill them. They will refuse to die when all logic says they should. Pause. Qelthar, and I believe that persistence, properly directed, could save us all one day.